And our coverage of this historic storm continues tonight as ABC 17's Joe McLean joins us live from Austin. Joe, you're seeing the northern remnants of Tropical Storm Harvey where you're at right now.
That's right, Taylor, and most of our 12-hour drive today was under sunny skies, but it wasn't until we hit about the Waco area that we started to see this rain. And we're seeing right here, we're just in the northern part of Austin, 35 to 40-mile-an-hour winds. And as you said, this is just the northern part of where the Tropical Storm Harvey is still hitting southeast Texas. Missouri Task Force 1, though, they're a little bit farther south. We've learned in just the last hour they arrived in Robstown, a small city just west of Corpus Christi. Now, Ohio's Task Force 1 is going to be joining Missouri Task Force 1 as they work with FEMA to perform search and rescue operations. We're told that's going to take place first thing tomorrow. Now, we're going to be bringing you live coverage of those search and rescue operations all through the weekend and into early next week. Reporting live north of Austin, Texas, Joe McLean, ABC 17 News.
We're going to check back in now with our crews in Texas tonight. ABC 17's Joe McLean joins us outside a high school in Katy, Texas, which is just outside of Houston. Joe, what are the conditions like there right now?
Yeah, Taylor, as you said, I'm outside the high school now, and when we last checked in about 15 minutes ago, the task forces had left. But as you can see, walking in front of the camera right now, the Tennessee Task Force 1 has just returned to the high school now, and you can see underneath my feet here, I'm in about 6 inches of water right now, but on the other side of the building, just opening the doors would have water just gush in.
First, let's check in with ABC 17's Joe McLean, who joins us live from Katy, Texas. And Joe, Missouri Task Force 1 has had a large role in those rescue operations in that area.
I'm here at the Katy High School, a technical high school here in this suburb, just a little ways west of Houston, where Missouri Task Force 1 spent most of their day. And I'm joined here by Safety Officer Terry Castle with Missouri Task Force 1. Terry, it was a busy day for you guys. Tell us what it involved.
We were dispatched down to the Houston area where we affected over 300 rescues, bringing people out from their homes and their neighborhoods into extraction points where they could be picked up and taken to shelters.
And how many people rescued?
Well, a few over 300. We're still working on some of the GPS data right now to get the exact number, but numbers, we know it's pretty much a little over 300 or a few more than that.
And looking ahead, Terry, where are you headed next? Do you even know right now?
We don't know exactly. Our task force leader had a meeting this afternoon, and they give them a little bit of an idea that there's going to be work tomorrow. And we know that for sure. And then tomorrow morning we'll have a 6:30 briefing with them, and that's when our operational briefing will happen, and that's when they'll give us an assignment.
And your marching orders under FEMA are really just, we'll go where you point us.
Absolutely. We're given a fire station and a fire chief, and that's the person we report to, and we support them and their efforts that day until we're done with that area, or the evening time comes, or our operational period stops, and we go back to that same place the next day if work's not done.
And there's a 2-week time period right now, but you told me earlier that could extend at the agency's whim.
And when we are activated, we're asked to say yes or no, can you activate for 14 days? So that's how long they can keep us, but I think they can even extend that for another week if need be.
Okay. Well, we'll let you get back to work. We'll let you get some rest after a long day. I'm reporting live here in Katy, Texas, Joe McLean, ABC 17 News.